Hey everybody, you know who this is, Jerome, B.F.A.M Cooking, and you know what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to bring you some great news. I have finally gotten to the major milestone that I consider 300 subscribers. 300 people! Thank you, thank you, thank you. You really have done me, I don't even know what to say. The words just don't even flow out of my mouth correctly. I've actually doubled this year the quantity of people I had at the beginning of this year. And that's fantastic to me. Absolutely fantastic. Let's do it again. Get out there. Come on, people. Subscribe. Thank you. At least I feel like I'm not wasting my time yelling at you guys about food. We love it. I hope you guys are enjoying the show. And you know what that means? It's time to do another giveaway. That is what we're going to be doing today. It happens to also be my anniversary. 22nd of August is a great day for me, and it's going to be a great day for somebody else. The start of our new game. I'm giving away two major prizes. One from Misen. It is a bread knife it actually is a chef's knife from Misen and a bread knife from MadeIn. I can't wait for you guys to have these things. These are near $100 knives that you guys should have. If you've been cooking like I've been cooking bread pretty much every 2 weeks or so, you need this bread knife. If you've been making anything else, you need the chef's knife. It's free to you. Really, really simple. This is how we're going to do it. First off, I have to say this nice disclaimer. YouTube has nothing to do with it. I'm giving it away. Going out to you. We're going to use the comments this time because last time I tried the randomizer and the random application, it just cost money for no reason. And all I want to do is give you guys the value over giving some other company the value. And I got hacked. Somebody was using the system, try to game the system from all different weird email addresses that all ended up in the same bucket. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to allow you guys to, first you got to be a subscriber, right? You got to subscribe. If you want to be hang out with me, you got to subscribe. Use your family members to subscribe, whatever. And I just need you to write something simple in there that you want to see me make or who I should interview next. I mean, we've had some really great people on there. Chef Steph was the last person. Michael Jenkins was out there. We talked to a lot of great people, and I hope that you guys enjoyed those. And of course, I want to know what it is you want me to create for you. My next item that I'm going to do in a recipe happens to be a peanut butter and jelly pie. Hope you guys like that, right? That's coming up real soon. But all I need to know is what you'd like to see me create or who you'd like to see me interview next. And then we're going to randomize it. 2 people. One person will get the bread knife. The other person will get a regular chef's knife. So please comment down below only on this video, and we're going to run that to the 25th of next month, basically symbolizing my anniversary. It's a way that I can remember somebody who I've been with for 34 years. That's right. My wife Cindy, I love you. 34 years. This is it. This is us. So you can check her channel out on Cindy's Success. Please, down below, get a knife. I want you to have it. Let's get some more stuff. Down below, subscribe, put some information in there, comment on this video. You could win a knife.